Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2026 Isuzu Trooper, the highly anticipated next-generation SUV that aims to redefine ruggedness and practicality. The Trooper has been a staple in the off-road and adventure community for years, and Isuzu's latest iteration promises to blend its legendary durability with modern technology, enhance comfort, and improve performance. Whether you're a longtime Trooper fan or new to the nameplate, this review will cover everything you need to know about its exterior, interior, engine performance, features, pricing, and overall driving experience. The first thing that stands out about the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is its bold and aggressive exterior design, which stays true to its rugged roots while incorporating contemporary styling elements. At the front, the SUV features a large, hexagonal grille with a chrome-accented frame that proudly displays the Isuzu logo at its center. The grille is flanked by sleek yet aggressive LED headlights that provide excellent visibility, even in low-light conditions. The headlights incorporate adaptive lighting technology, which adjusts based on driving conditions and speed, ensuring maximum illumination on highways and dark trails alike. Below the grille, the front bumper has a skid plate designed for additional protection when tackling rough terrain, while integrated fog lights further enhance visibility in challenging weather conditions. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper exhibits a strong and muscular stance with high ground clearance, making it well-equipped for off-road adventures. Pronounced wheel arches house 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, with optional 20-inch wheels available on higher trims. The body lines flow seamlessly from front to back, giving the vehicle a dynamic and modern look, without sacrificing its traditional boxy silhouette that fans of the Trooper have come to love. The side mirrors are equipped with integrated turn signals and have an auto-folding feature for convenience in tight parking spaces. Roof rails come as standard, adding practicality for carrying extra gear, while the doors feature sturdy protective cladding to prevent damage from rough terrain or debris. At the rear, the Isuzu Trooper maintains its utilitarian approach with a wide tailgate that provides easy access to the cargo area. The tailgate includes a split folding function, allowing for more flexible loading options when carrying larger items. LED taillights are designed to be highly visible in all conditions, ensuring safety during nighttime driving. A rear skid plate and high-mount brake light add to the off-road ready appeal. The rear bumper is fitted with tow hooks, emphasizing the Trooper's ability to handle heavy-duty tasks. A rear spoiler subtly enhances aerodynamics while adding to the overall aesthetic appeal of the vehicle. Stepping inside the 2026 Isuzu Trooper, it becomes clear that Isuzu is focused on making the cabin a more premium and technology-driven space while maintaining the durability expected from an adventure SUV. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft-touch surfaces and leather accents on the dashboard and door panels. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, with available leather upholstery and contrast stitching on higher trims. The driver's seat offers multiple power-adjustable settings, including lumbar support, while heated and ventilated front seats add an extra level of luxury. The dashboard features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that displays essential driving information, such as speed, fuel efficiency, and off-road performance metrics. Complementing this is a large 14-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. The system is intuitive, featuring a user-friendly interface with voice commands, navigation, and real-time traffic updates. A premium 12-mic speaker surround sound system by Bose is available, ensuring an immersive audio experience. The climate control system features a tri-zone setup, allowing the driver, front passenger, and rear passengers to set their preferred temperatures independently. USB-C charging ports, wireless charging, and multiple 12V outlets provide ample connectivity and power options for passengers. Under the hood, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper comes equipped with a 3-liter turbocharged diesel engine that produces 280 horsepower and an impressive 480 lp-ft of torque. This power plant is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth shifts and optimized performance across different terrains. Isuzu has also introduced a mild hybrid variant featuring a 2.8-liter diesel engine, paired with a 48V electric motor, designed to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions while maintaining the Trooper's legendary capability. For off-road enthusiasts, the Trooper features an advanced four-wheel drive system with multiple terrain modes, including mud, sand, rock, and snow. The electronic locking differentials and hill descent control ensure maximum traction and stability in challenging conditions. The SUV's independent front and rear suspension setup have been fine-tuned to offer both comfort on paved roads and superior articulation on rugged trails. With a water-wading depth of 850 feet under ground clearance of 10.5 inches, the Trooper is built to conquer extreme environments with ease. Fuel efficiency has been improved thanks to Isuzu's latest engine optimization technology, offering an estimated 24 mpg in combined driving conditions for the standard diesel model, while the mild hybrid variant pushes this number closer to 28 mpg. The towing capacity remains strong at 7,500 pounds, making the Trooper a great choice for those who need to haul trailers, boats, or heavy cargo. In terms of safety, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard across all trims are adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Higher trims offer additional features such as a 360-degree camera system, night vision assist, and a heads-up display for enhanced driving awareness. Pricing for the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is expected to start at around $42,000 for the base trim, with mid-level trims coming in at approximately $48,000. The fully loaded model with all available options is projected to reach $55,000. While these prices place the Trooper in direct competition with other rugged SUVs like the Toyota Land Cruiser and Jeep Grand Cherokee, it offers a strong value proposition, given its blend of durability, modern features, and off-road capability. Overall, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper continues the legacy of this iconic SUV while adapting to the needs of modern drivers. Its bold design, refined interior, powerful performance, and advanced safety features make it a compelling option for those looking for a reliable, adventure-ready SUV. Whether you're planning to take it off the beaten path or simply need a tough, versatile vehicle for everyday driving, the new Trooper delivers in every aspect. If you're considering an SUV that balances ruggedness with modern-day comfort and technology, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper is certainly worth a closer look. Let us know in the comments what you think about this latest iteration of the Trooper. Would you choose it over other off-road-ready SUVs in its class? Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more detailed car reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.